Hey up sports bike fans, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's a Yamaha R6 mega bike. This, I've owned 3 myself and they are really good for the road and for the track. This one's no different and is a little bit more special than others. It's a 2010 on a template and it's only done 757 miles, and that is true mileage, is that as well. We're going to put a fresh set of tyres on because they are the original tyres. The bike itself was bought by a chap himself who literally just put it into a collection with many other bikes that he had, and yeah, just decided just to reduce his collection and give someone else a chance to own this piece of kit. Gorgeous bike, top to bottom, finished off in the Yamaha red and white. Right, let's give it a start up so we can hear the noise. Just wanted to give it a few seconds there just to warm up. On these R6s it does take a minute before they allow you to rev them. Anyway, if you're wanting to beat the Subaru off the lines, this is the bike to do it on. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes and give us a call. Oh, in fact, just while you're on, I forgot to say, it's also getting a major service, is this bad boy, even though it's only done 757 miles. Cheers!
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.